the center of it is just to our south-southeast. Yep, there it is. Wedge.
Got it?
Yep, rolling down the window.
Roll it down, baby. Oh my goodness. Wedge tornado.
Okay, let's just keep going.
Hang on.
There it is. There it is. Wow, violent tornado. Wow, this may be one of the biggest, most violent tornadoes I've ever seen. Wow. Not here. Let's go south. Behind this thing. We've got roads.
Okay, that's the real one.
Yep. Oh man, big stuff flying out of it. Yep.
We're good, right?
Yeah, that's right. No, we're fine.
Backup camera's stuck, but whatever. Oh my goodness!
Get to the thing.
I'm going. I'm going 55, man. We're good. Oh my goodness. When you get a chance, turn that toward that camera.
And then we got our roads. Oh wow.
Whoa.
Wow.
What a wedge.
Wow. Goodness.
Where am I going?
We're going east, right there where those.
There's the cars are. Oh my God! Look at that monster! Big ol' hail. It's gonna hurt.
Yep.
That is gonna sting.
Goodness, that may be the biggest wedge I've ever seen.
No one coming? Nope. Nope. Yikes.
Okay, we're gonna just hang behind this roughly.
Yep.
OMG. Okay. All right. If you want to get to a clearing and then hold my camera and take video, I will get snap some shots of it right here. Hold this video. I'm gonna take some still.
Go.
Where's my still camera? That camera.
What a monster. You can hear it. Yikes. What a monster wedge tornado. Sorry, I lifted up there a little bit. You get it? You getting it?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
All right, Gabe, we saw the
forward.
Real good.
Okay.
We saw the big one. We're seeing the big one. Got debris in the air.
Yep, big debris. Okay.
Okay, slow and steady.
So we should be good for a while.
I want my backup camera.
Oh my goodness. I know, man.
What a monster! I pray to God. Jeez. Is there one in front of us?
Might be.
Hey, there's one in front of us, I think.
Really? Wow.
Sorry.
Holy crap. We can go forward. It's okay. We can go past them.
I know.
Oh, look at the horizontal vortices. Let's go a little further. I can see.
I'm just edging close because it's getting closer. But we got it. We got the sucker.
Yeah.
Right here?
A little further. Can't see past these trees. Let's go up to where those cars are. It's stopped at the top. They're a little further on. Wow.
Unless you think it's a clean factory.
No, we'll be fine. We're not even under the mesocyclone at all.
Yeah, I know.
Wow.
Whoa. Listen to it.
Yeah. Hold on. Let's wait for just a second. Don't back up. Just
I know,
pull
I'm
off.
just gonna pull off.
Yeah.
We're not underneath the mezzo. I think.
No, we're fine. We're fine.
Go forward.
Yeah, go forward just a little bit.
Right ahead of these guys. Watch across the road right in front.
Look at Wow. Look at the motion. Keep going, man. Watch out for the branch. Ooh, that was a hailstone. There's some big old debris flying just ahead of us.
Yes, there is.
There we are.
I guess we'll just watch it cross the road, right?
Yep. Okay, people are going past us. Let's go out. Get on the road. That roar is tremendous. We could probably go inch up a little bit because we're getting wrapped around, so we can't see it anymore.
It'll be okay.
What are you chasing with?
We're just being Gabe.
There it is.
Oh my God, look at it.
Man, I should have come up there.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Yikes, we've got
I told you guys, like, this data was
we're gonna have problems with
set up. Oh, man.
All right, what do you think we can do?
It worked awesome.
We can move these tree branches.
But we're gonna have problems anyway. Let's go, we might have to go north to get around. Let's go back to that north road.
All right.
Well, hey, good luck. I'll let you.